Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to draw isometric drawings in AutoCAD. Isometric drawings are a popular way of representing three-dimensional objects on a two-dimensional surface. In AutoCAD, isometric drafting allows you to create the appearance of 3D objects without actually modeling them in 3D. Isometric drawings are widely used in engineering, architecture, product design, manufacturing, and technical illustration because they provide a clear visual representation of an object's shape and dimensions. An isometric drawing is a method of representing a three-dimensional object on a two-dimensional drawing. Why is it called isometric? The word isometric means equal measure. In an isometric drawing, the three principal axes are displayed at equal angles, creating the illusion of depth. Isometric drawings help you visualize 3D objects, communicate design ideas, create technical illustrations, present mechanical components, and show spatial relationships clearly. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open an existing drawing or create a new drawing. The isometric settings will be applied to the current drawing workspace. Look toward the bottom of the AutoCAD window. AutoCAD includes drafting tools and status bar settings that control drawing behavior. Make sure isometric drawing is enabled. If you do not see the isometric option, go to the command line and type ISO draft. Then press Enter. AutoCAD activates isometric drafting mode. Isometric mode automatically adjusts the cursor and drawing behavior to match isometric angles. After enabling isometric drafting, AutoCAD allows you to select an isoplane. An isoplane determines which isometric face or orientation you are currently drawing on. The three available isoplanes. AutoCAD provides isoplane left, isoplane top, and isoplane right. Each plane represents a different visible face of a 3D object. For this example, choose isoplane left. What happens next? The cursor changes orientation. The crosshairs align with the selected isometric plane to help you draw accurately. The drawing grid and cursor now follow isometric angles rather than standard horizontal and vertical directions. Now that the isoplane is active, you can begin creating your isometric geometry. Click the Line tool, go to the toolbar and click Line. The Line command becomes active. Click a starting point and begin drawing. Because isometric drafting is enabled, lines align with isometric angles. Drawing becomes easier, and objects appear three-dimensional. Result: you begin creating the framework of an isometric object. The isometric grid helps maintain the proper visual perspective needed for isometric drawings. Switching between isoplanes. As your drawing becomes more complex, you may need to switch between isoplane left, isoplane top, and isoplane right. Different surfaces of the object are drawn on different isometric faces. Many technical illustrations and assembly diagrams continue to use isometric drawings because they clearly communicate object shapes while remaining simple and efficient. Additional tip: when drawing circles in isometric mode, AutoCAD uses ellipse, isocircle, because circles appear as ellipses in isometric views. What you just accomplished: you opened AutoCAD, enabled isometric drafting, activated ISO draft mode, selected an isoplane, switched the cursor to isometric orientation, started drawing isometric geometry using the Line tool. Why isometric drafting is valuable. Isometric drafting provides a simple way to represent three-dimensional objects without the complexity of full 3D modeling. To summarize, creating an isometric drawing in AutoCAD begins by opening the drawing and enabling isometric drafting from the status bar, or by typing ISO draft into the command line and pressing Enter. Once isometric mode is active, you select an isoplane, such as isoplane left, which changes the cursor orientation to match the chosen isometric face. After selecting the desired plane, simply activate the Line command and begin drawing. Because the cursor and drafting environment are aligned to isometric angles, the resulting geometry creates the appearance of a three-dimensional object while remaining in a two-dimensional drawing. And that's how to draw isometric drawings in AutoCAD. Isometric drafting is an excellent technique for creating technical illustrations and visualizing objects in a way that resembles 3D without requiring full 3D modeling tools. Once you understand how to switch between isoplanes and use isometric drafting tools, you can create detailed and professional-looking technical drawings much more efficiently. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.